Well, it is Friday, my friends, and that means here on CoastLife, we've got a trending try for you, and this one could be relevant if you are in like emergency wrapping paper mode. You realize you don't have a bag on hand, all you have is wrapping paper, but hey, we can make it all work because we've got a little craft for you. Joining me for our trending try today is our lovely field correspondent, Spencer Tober, and this was a craft that you came across.
Yes, so I can't believe it. The ingenuity, the inventiveness of this project is so fun. And like you said, if you don't have a bag around, you can make one. So that's really fun.
We do. We love it when things are easy and they work out. And sometimes these crafts prove a little more challenging than we're led on to believe. But I think we can handle this one because it's really only a couple of steps.
Right. Yeah, a little bit of folding, a little bit of snipping here, there. I think we're gonna have a nice little craft at the end of this.
I think we got it. So we've basically cut 2 long strips of wrapping paper that we're going to fold into a little bag. So let's give it a try, shall we?
All right, let's get into it.
All right, scoot up here. I was gonna do a little.
So we
crease.
start here creasing the ends.
So you fold the outsides
I
in.
think there might be a little too long here. I think I'm gonna make mine a little shorter.
Just shave a little off the top.
Yeah.
I might fold a little bit more than a third then and go for more like go halvesy. So you fold the bottom part up. And you can kind of see now that it's looking a little bag-esque.
Right?
It's looking a little baggy.
Not too bad. All right, so next I think it's gonna be the corners here then.
Yes. So in the video that we watched, she then folds these top corners. Okay, and then once the edges are folded, she even folded the top part over that, right?
Yes, so we're just gonna fold it here.
Just following the steps in the video we watched.
And according to that video, I think there was only one strip of tape in this
You're right,
whole.
that's all we saw.
I like the economy of tape here.
Okay, so like at this point, you would put your gifts in the bag, right?
I think so. I think we need to start the hole punching now.
You hole punch first?
Yes. So that is actually what's gonna secure the that part where we folded.
Oh, I see. This is why I'm not the gift wrapper.
Okay, so let's see if we can slip this in here. Oh. All right. Let's see. It's funny, I looked so hard for a hole punch, and I feel like a hole punch is...
Single hole punch does not exist anymore.
I feel like that's such a relic now. All right.
Well, the hole punch is fighting us a little bit, so we're going to give scissors a try too. And if you have the single hole punch, you're just going to poke holes towards the top here, right?
Yes.
Boom. They don't have to be pretty, because guess what? We're going to put ribbon on them.
So Leah, what color are you going with?
All right, I think I'm going to go with blue because it matches the snowflakes.
No, I'm going to go with pink because that was the one that our producer suggested.
She did pick pink, yep.
Well, she didn't suggest it. She
picked it.
she picked it for me. All right, and...
All right. So you get your ribbon.
All right.
Cute.
All
Okay.
right. Nice.
Look at that.
Okay. That's actually...
And the handle is cute.
What?
Okay, Spencer. I love them. If you're in a pinch, you can make one in 10 minutes or less. So there you go. But that's our trending try for you. You can give it a shot if you find some success in your last-minute holiday wrapping paper bag. Let us know. We want to see it. But Spencer, this was fun.
Yeah, Leah, thank you so much for letting me join in the reindeer games this year.
Of course. But we've got a musical performance for you when we get back of a pretty iconic local band. That's on the way.